welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the famous Dalgona drink with a different twist. The ingredients are some ice cubes, 1/2 cup of strawberry milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream, 1 tablespoon of hot water, and 2 tablespoons of choco powder. You can also use Milo or Swiss Miss. The first thing you have to do is you have to mix the choco powder and the hot water. Then you mix. Mix. Mix, until it will melt. As you can see, it's already melted. So I will add the ice cream. Then you mix again. Mix. Once it's all melted, you have to add the ice cubes. Then you add the strawberry milk. Then you put the one that you mixed. Slowly. So this is my Dalgona a la Gracie. You should try this at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep safe, everyone. Lots of love. Mwah.